Good day, viewers. I want us to consider another example on bearing. A plane moves from a town X to a town Y 30 kilometers apart in the direction 60 degrees. So if this is point X, a plane moves 60 degrees from here to point Y. This is point Y. So this is 60 degrees. Of course, this space is alternate to this space. So here will also be 60 degrees. 60 degrees. And then changes direction, moving to a point Z in the direction 120 degrees. On getting to this point Z, point Y, the plane decides to change direction. Of course, this is 3 digits bearing. The starting point is not. So from here to here is 90. This is 120. It moves to this place, point Z. This is 120 degrees. So from here, from this line, this south and east, the left over here will be 60 degrees. So if I add these two together, I'm going to get 120 degrees here. Okay? So point 120 degrees. So if the point Z is due east of X, this is north, east, south, and west of S. Point Z is due east of S. Okay? Is due east of S. Find the distance of point Z from X. We want to find the distance XZ. So the distance XZ will be denoted as small y. This place will be X, up the side opposite, and there will be Z. Z is 30. We are giving this as 30 kilometers. So we want to find Y, which is the distance from the point Z to point Y. So we are going to apply sine rule here. We are looking for Y. We say Y all over sine Y will be equal to, we know Z. Of course, we know Z. We know Z. So this small place will be 30 degrees. Here will be 30. Here will also be 30. This place will be 30 degrees. So automatically, here will also be 30 degrees. That's what you know. Sum of angle in a triangle is 160. So it will be Z all over sine Z. So what is Y? That's what we are looking for. All over sine Y is sine 120. Sine 120 degrees. Then Z is 30 all over sine 30 degrees. So Y, when we cross multiply, will be 30 sine 120 is same thing as sine 60. Then all over sine 30 degrees. So this is same thing as 30 multiplied by sine 60 is 0.866. All over sine 30 is 0.5. Then if I use 30 to multiply 0.866, I'm going to get 25.98. All over sine 30 is 0.5. So Y will now be equal to 51 when I use this to divide this, 0.96 kilometers. So the distance XZ will now be approximately 52 kilometers. That is the distance of X. The distance of Z from X will be, that's what we are going to get. So that's what we are going to get.